Jeffrey Cook, President and Founder of First Attack Engineering. Since 1999, we've been building some of the most unique and safest off-road emergency vehicles in the industry. This is one of our more unique options. This is our safety jump seat. The firefighter can get right here for a field fire. He can set in this seat, put this harness on. This has got the big latches, so when you got your gloves on, you can still operate them. You've got your safety roll cage around you in case you really was in a bad situation. You got your hand line here. You're able to see past the truck, and you're able to have good vision, but yet you're protected if you got to lean back, if there's shrubs and stuff coming at you through a trail. But this is a really unique setup. You can see through the windshield, and in most cases we have a slider rear window, and you can talk to the driver. This is one of our unique features, super single wheels and tires. We get rid of the dual wheels and the little weenie tires that come on these factory trucks, and we put a nice aggressive off-road tire with a super single wheel. The wheels match up in the track, they handle great, and they'll get you in and out of a tough situation off-road. This is another one of First Attack's unique features. This is our front brush guard with a receiver hitch. 6 gallon per minute ground sweep nozzles. These nozzles will create about a 12-foot wide swath, 6 foot in front of the truck. We also on this truck have an Akron monitor. This is controlled remote by inside the cab. This is a really unique situation. You can use this for structure fires. You can use it for a water curtain. If you have a water supply to this truck, this will make this truck do a lot more than fight brush fires. This is one of our newest creations. This is our off-road fire rescue. This has our same features as other trucks. Got the front ground sweep nozzles, the brush guard, the remote monitor, but this has a very unique feature. This is a multi-purpose vehicle. This thing can do 2 jobs for the price of one. This is an all co-poly plastic body, so it's lightweight, it's durable. This truck will take the place of a brush truck and a rescue for those that are on a tight budget. We've got 350 gallons on board. We've got a 350 gallon a minute pump with a foam inductor and a 5 gallon foam cell. You've got plenty of storage in all these compartments, aluminum roll-up doors. This compartment is a transverse compartment, can go all the way through, so you can put a roll-out tray in it if you desire. This thing is going to be a great truck for a small department that's on a tough budget.